Welcome back to my channel, Smokin and Grillin, and today we making honey teriyaki wings with me, AB. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to add your baking powder and your salt, and then you want to mix it well. So that's your dry ingredients in a bowl, and then you mix it so that you don't have too much salt on, so it's an even mix, nice blend over all of your chicken. I'm using, as you can see, I'm using drumettes. I wish I would have bought some flats too, because I love those also. Now listen, when you add your chicken, you want to make sure that your chicken has been patted dry, just as dry as you can get it, and then you go ahead and just coat it. And then as you see right here, you don't see it, but I'm adding the chicken to a baking sheet. I kept a little space because I'm going to do these in the oven. Just as a reminder, the full recipe will be down in the description box below. Now while I was coating my wings, what I did was I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and what I used today to bake these wings was my Breville Smart Air countertop oven, which I preheated it to 350 degrees. I cooked them for 60 minutes, and every 20 minutes I rotate them. Once your chicken is done, go ahead and just put them in a bowl, set them aside, and then it's time to get ready to make your honey teriyaki chicken. Listen, that's a quick sauce to make. Your chicken should still be warm. And so listen, let's just go ahead and get started. First, we start off with our low sodium soy sauce. Go ahead and put that in there. Then we're gonna add our brown sugar. And after that, then we're gonna go ahead and add our honey. And listen, then we're gonna start stirring. And then we're gonna try to reach a consistency that we like. I like mine a little thick, so we're gonna keep stirring, cooking on medium heat until we reach that thickness. And then after that, I forgot to tell you, listen, we're gonna go ahead and add that, those sesame seeds. You don't need to roast them. We're just gonna go ahead and add them to the sauce and cook them down so they can absorb some of the honey teriyaki sauce. Now once your honey teriyaki sauce has reached its desired thickness, go ahead and just add your chicken. Now I use one right here just for, video purposes only, but it's more practical to just load it up the way you're seeing me do it right there, and then just stir it around, just like flip them, toss them, whatever you got to do, you know what I mean, just so you can get them coated. Now listen, it will thicken up once you turn it, turn the fire down. So once you start plating, you can get, as much of the sauce on there as possible. And then once you have that like that, then you can tilt the pan, get yourself a spoon, and just start pouring some. And if you guys know me, I like to use that word drizzle. Then you can start drizzling some of that honey teriyaki sauce, and boom, that's how it comes out right there. So tell me what you guys think of that one there. You know what? Just the sweetness of the honey, and then with that soy sauce, it's just got just the right amount of salt flavor. So that's sweet and sauce. On top of that, having some crispy chicken wings, with a little sesame seeds. I can tell you this is a must try, you guys. You gotta try it. Now listen, if you guys have been watching, my videos and been watching some of these wing videos, I've been building it up, talking about I'm going to do a Wings Extravaganza. I'm going to premiere it, and I'm going to premiere it in January. It'll be the first weekend of January. You know what? So I'm going to ask you guys, don't forget to hit that bell. That way you guys will get the latest notification, whenever I drop a video, and it'll let you know when I go ahead and, schedule it, for the premiere. This is going to be epic. You're talking about wings, good looking wings, some wings. I held some back so you guys can take a look at something new. You know what I mean? So listen to that name, Wings Extravaganza. It's going to be epic, y'all. So look, let me take the time to say, for those of you guys that are new to my channel, let me go ahead and welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell, like this video, share this video, and look out for that Wings Extravaganza. With that being said, you guys, you know what? I'm out.